Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep Kaur and today we are going to give a presentation on ITSM, and here I have my teammates Harpreet Kaur and Mandeep Kaur. So let's begin. So first of all, what is ITSM? ITSM is a key functionality in an organization which is very helpful for an organization to improve their business, to improve their customer satisfaction, and to improve their delivery timing of the products. So this is how ITSM is very useful, and in this presentation we are going to understand the various aspects of IT service management in Verizon company, and along with the presentation we are going to have an analyzation of the role of these aspects in the business proposition of the Verizon company. So let's moving on the next slide. So here we have the company overview. So what is the company based on, and what are its basic information is that it is one of the largest IT companies in America. So it is a multinational company in worldwide, and it is founded in 1983, and the headquarters of the company is in New York. And then we have the information about CEO. The present CEO of the company is Hans Westberg. So being the largest company in IT sector, so it provides lots of communication and technological services to the agencies, and it also provides entertainment and other informative services to the people and to the IT companies, other IT companies, and to the IT sector, we can say that. And it also delivers voice and data and video services, and moreover it also provides wireline service and wireless communication services. So moving on the next slide. Here we have the service management meaning and practical application. So what is the meaning of service management? So service management is a craft of implementing, managing, and delivering IT services in order to meet the needs of an organization. And then we have it is the art of making a business run. So it is very useful. With the help of service management we can run our business, and we can make our business more productive and more proactive. So this is how it is very useful. Practical application, framework for business. So service management is a great framework for the business and guideline for effective business growth. So in this service management we can have the guidelines for making our business more effective and more proactive. And this is how we can follow the guidelines of service management, and we can make our business grow more and more day by day. So this is how this is what service management is. And the rest of the slides will be presented by my friend Harpreet Kaur. So thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Kaur. Today I will discuss about the ethical philosophy application in IT working place. This company has adopted the ethical theory of utilitarianism, application of ACS code of ethics to enhance the workplace environment, and while this statement is aligned towards an organization, it can be said that to obtain success in business, properly employee management is needed. This helps in creating a conductive IT workplace environment through ethics, which helps to employ to in productivity and business performance. Application of the ACS code of ethics also help in the workplace environment enhance the quality of life, skills and knowledge, service and products as well. Also increase the information technological efficiency of this company. And this company has also adopted an ethical decision making model to deal with the changing IT service environment. Service management best practice evolution of practical case. The HP company has implemented the COBIT framework to enhance its business performance. It also has a framework satisfying the needs of the customers. Moreover, it also helps in developing best practice guidelines, and it also helps to identify the risks associated with service and management. And this framework also adopted by the HP company helps to design, plan and deliver technical and operating information service to their customers which satisfy their needs and which in turn enhance the business performance of the company. Creation of business value, consistency of ITSM practice and need for organizational change. Organizational changes are required to obtain better business outcomes, and it also main focus should be on the employee's perspective towards the company. The main focus of the company should be focus on the customers value, and they want to give a good values to their customer for their good reputation of their companies and do a good things for their customers, and also influence behavior of the employee. Creation of business value skills framework and practical approaches for IT management. Implementation of SIBA and IIBA certification to improve values, which means that implementation of skills framework for the information age and IIBA certification which help in developing professional skill and managing the work related to the information system which adds a value in business. Moreover, it also uses the modern ethical approaches to influence the employees. Now, rest of slides will be discussed by the Mandeep Kaur.
Hi everyone, my name is Mandeep Kaur and now I'm going to talk about next slide, which is development and enhancement of service management. The development and enhancement of IT service management can be achieved by using continuous service improvement, which reviews, analyze and make recommendations as to where improvements can be made within the service lifecycle. Moreover, to deliver business values, continuous service improvements increases the efficiency, effectiveness, and cost effectiveness. Furthermore, it aligns the current and future business needs to support continual improvements activities. Its periodic re-evaluation also helps the company to monitor its service management and make necessary changes wherever required. Now let's move on the next slide. This slide is about service management improvement, planning and implementation. Firstly, I will talk about planning. So proper planning of service management improvement by managing and continual improvements at all levels of the organization is necessary before the implementation process. It is the responsibility of the service management to provide input, continuous service improvement and to identify and prioritize the same. In addition, appropriate planning of the required organizational changes along with identification of the best practices that are applicable further improve service management. Moreover, application of the skills framework and other approaches add value to business, thereby improving the service management of the company. Now moving to the next slide. This slide is about service management improvement implementation. The implementation of the plan by making the necessary organizational changes create business value. Likewise, the implementation of SIBA and IIBA certification helps in developing the required skills, and the modern ethical approaches help to influence employee performance by building ethical relations among them, thereby contributing to the service management of the company. Further, the use of CSI to continuously monitor, evaluate and improve the service life cycle also helps in improvement of the service management. On the basis of the purpose of CSI, service improvement is where the service provider helps in service quality improvement by agreeing to, monitoring and reporting the IT achievements. Now moving on the next slide. After concluding, I would like to say that the aspects of IT service management in the Verizon company were discussed and their role with respect to business proposition were analyzed. Additionally, different development and improvement strategies were identified and their implementation were also discussed. Moving to the next slide. These are the references that we used. Thank you.